Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in the lecture series of Material Studio, today we are going to discuss how to find the optical property of the material. For this, first of all, you should optimize your structure in Material Studio. So this is the unit cell of cerium dioxide, which is already optimized. So we have this one as our optimized structure. After that, when you want to calculate any property of the material, you should go to the calculation option, and you can open this interface from here, and also if you want to open it, you can open it from here. This is basically the icon of CASTEP module. So here in calculation setup, we have task as geometrical optimization. We will change this task to property, because we are interested to find the property of this material, and all the other parameters will remain same. Just go to the property options and check out population analysis, because we are not interested in population analysis. We are interested to find the optical property of the material in this situation. So we will check the optical property options. All the other like energy range and CASTEP as automatically take, because we here we select the option find. So due to this find option, all the setup parameter will be automatically taken by software. So we have this unit cell, and this is not a that much big structure, so you can take the find option firstly for your calculation. After that, when you want to increase accuracy in your calculation, then it will need expertise to adjust the parameter accordingly. In job control, there is no any need to change, so we can click on run button for finding the properties of the cerium dioxide. So you can see in the status the calculation is going to start. It will take some time. After that, we can calculate, we can analyze optical property of cerium dioxide. So we can see that our job is completed. After that, we can analyze our optical property of the material. I again want to discuss that our job is completed in take very short time, because of the one thing is that it is basically the unit cell of the material. It have a very less number of atoms, and another thing is it's needs some expert or calculations. In calculation setup, we have different types of terms and conditions which need some expertise in the software. So now if you want to analyze the optical property of the material, first of all you should go the output file of the optical property. This is output file of the optical property. Then go to CASTEP module icon and click on analysis. Here you will click on optical property option. When you click on optical property option, we have different type of functions like reflectivity, absorption, refractive index, dielectric function, conductivity, loss function. You can calculate all of these. So after click on calculation, the property of reflectivity is calculated. If you want to see, click on view button, you can see the optical property of this material. And if you want to calculate absorption, first click on calculation. After that, click on view. You can view the absorption of the material. And also reflective index. This is the reflective index graph, and dielectric constant. This is dielectric constant graph. So similarly, if you are interested in conductivity, you can calculate the conductivity, and you can view a graph of conductivity. I just want to teach you how to calculate. If you want to get accurate result, I already mentioned it's need expertise, and also you will take supercell of the material. And similarly, loss function can be calculated like this. Okay, so by this you can calculate optical properties of the material.